y'all, welcome back to my channel. I just finished up with work, y'all, so I'm getting ready to get in the shower and fix myself some dinner. And I like to cleanse and wash my face before I get in the shower, and I'm very excited to share with you guys what skincare I've been using lately. I have new custom products, you guys, from Ageny Skincare. I have really been loving these products so far. I didn't have to leave the house today, so I did not have to wear any makeup. So we're gonna go in first to wash my face with this Cloud Care Cream Oil Cleanser. As you can hear in the name, it has oil in this cleanser. So if I did have on makeup today, this cleanser would help break down the makeup plus all of the dirt and oils in my skin. So I love that about this cleanser. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face first with this. I'm using warm water to wash my face. You don't have to use super hot water when you are washing your face. And I also want to thank Ageny for sponsoring this video. So y'all, I'm done with my shower, and when I tell y'all, it is nothing like a fresh, long shower after a long, stressful day. I feel so refreshed. So continuing on with my nighttime routine. So next I'm going in with my Future formula, also from Ageny. This has tretinoin in it, which helps to smooth out fine lines. And as you guys know, I just turned 34. Oh my God, y'all, I can't believe I'm 34. But my birthday was a little while back. And so I've just put a little of this on my finger and just spreading this all over my face. When I first started this skincare program, I took a quiz and let them know exactly what my skincare concerns were. And a couple of my skincare concerns was to smooth out the texture of my skin some, and also to fade some of these dark spots, you guys, because I do still get breakouts, not as bad as I did when I was younger, but I still break out on occasion, which leaves dark marks sometimes on my skin. Also on my neck, I have a couple as well I would like to address. So I took my skincare quiz, which was very fast and easy, and I also took photos of each area of my face and also my chest area to let my dermatology provider look over that as well and help to build out a skincare routine for me. So with this Future formula, I was advised to use this only at nighttime, and I also have a dark spot formula that was prescribed to me as well. And so this I was advised to use during the morning and night. So I used a little of this morning, and I'm going to use some right now. And you are supposed to do more of a spot treating with this and add this only to the spots that you really would like to treat. And they also provided me with a moisturizer, and this is the Cloud Care Weightless Whipped Moisturizer, and it can be used during the day or night, which I love. And it is very lightweight, like it says. I'm just squirting out a little of this and going to apply all over my face and neck areas. And we are through, you guys. And that is another thing I love about having this personalized skincare routine. I feel like they made my routine so much more simpler for me to follow. And the best thing about it, you have a profile that you can log back into on the Ageny Skincare website, and you can see exactly what your dermatology provider prescribed for you. There are notes in your profile giving you details about each ingredient in each of your personalized products. So for my dark spot formula and my Future formula, I'm able to log into my profile and see how exactly to use each product. There are certain ingredients that I am supposed to avoid while using these products. I'm not supposed to exfoliate or wax or anything like that. I feel like this was the perfect birthday gift to myself, and I'm really loving all of the products so far. They automatically ship your new products to you on a certain date, and you're able to see exactly what that date is in your profile. All the shipping, tracking information, everything is there. And before I end the video, I really want to share this silk screen sunscreen with you guys. It's a tinted sunscreen by Ageny Skincare, and when I tell you guys this is a whole game changer for me, I have been using the color medium deep. I was sent a sample pack of this. I'm definitely going to get the full bottle of this ASAP. I just love how this looks on my skin, you guys. It blends in so seamlessly, and I feel like it's perfect for the days that I do not want to wear makeup, and I am wearing a lot less makeup these days since I am working from home. But this just adds the perfect sheer tint of color to your skin, also protecting you from the harmful UV rays. For darker skin tones, it can be difficult for us at times to find a sunscreen that doesn't leave a white cast or any kind of cast. This leaves absolutely no cast. So I am truly in love with this silk screen. So in the morning, I'm pretty much just going to follow the same skincare routine. The only thing that I will not be using is my Future formula. So these 3 products are the only products that I will be using in the morning. And y'all, all I can say is I am so thankful for a simplified skincare routine. I feel like as we get older, time starts to fly by even more, and we're just all like so much more busier in life. Like there's just so many things for me to do, you guys, every single day it feels like. And I'm so glad that I have quality customized products. It's definitely very helpful and just good to know that my skincare routine is taken care of, and that's just one less thing for me to worry about. So definitely check out Ageny Skincare if you are also looking for an overall simplified skincare routine. Check out the link in the description bar below.